Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to unbox MSI B450 AMD motherboard. It's the Gaming Plus Max motherboard. This is AMD AM4 socket supported, PCI Express 3.0 and Ryzen 3000 desktop processor ready. This motherboard support the Ryzen 3000 processor without any BIOS update. So let's check out the specification. This motherboard support first, second and third gen AMD Ryzen processors, Ryzen with Radeon Vega gaming graphics, and second gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics, Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics. Gaming Plus Mac. Let's check out some in-depth specification of this motherboard. This DDR4 boost 1.66 DDR4 performance, steel armor 4x, slot strength, AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 2x fast, audio boost, enjoy crystal sound with audio boost, 7.1 channel HD audio, 24-bit flash BIOS button, updates BIOS easily and works without a CPU. Okay, push your SSD harder, data transfer speed 32 Gbps, pretty good, easy debug LED, easier way to troubleshoot, export, ready for gaming, for streaming, micro streaming. Okay, graphics interface 1x2 PCI Express 3.0, X16 slot plus 1x2 PCI Express 2.0 in X16 slot, suppose 2A crossfire. Interface HDMI DVI requires processor graphics 4x DIMM dual channel DDR4 for 3466 plus OC, 4x PCI Express into one slot, storage on into M.2 slot, 6x SATA 6 Gbps, USB port 2x USB 3.2 second gen plus 4x USB 3.2 first gen plus 6x USB 2.0 LAN, Realtalk 8111H gigabit LAN, audio 8 channel 7.1 HD audio with audio boost. There is a IO overview of back IO shield. So now time to open the box. Let's check out our today's model. This from outside. Let's check out what we get. IO shield with very good looking MSI logo. I love this dragon logo. Also black and red color combination. To set up out MSI logo, True Gaming. Very lovely logo. Other advertisement. There's driver CD. Sorry. And screw for maybe this is for M.2 slot. product book, oh sorry, user guide. Huge. See this guide, this is thickness. Check out the thickness of this product book. I don't think no one is read this, but this is very useful. We sometimes this book can save lots of time. Coding head, quick instruction guide, review, reward, shout out, digital reward. Okay, now time to see our motherboard. We have to be very careful. Tire shield 1 2 3 4 5 6 USB port, LAN port, HDMI, DVI, combo PS2 and BIOS reset, PCI slot, 2 PC slot, 6 SATA port, 4 RAM slot, CPU, and this is our motherboard. So I hope guys you like this video. This video takes lots of effort and time. Please hit the thumbs up button. Also comment and share this video. This is it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and goodbye. See you in the next video.